In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress staging site. This process is essential for testing changes without affecting your live website. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add Plugin. This area is where you'll find all the tools you need to enhance your website's functionality. Once you're here, use the search bar to look for a staging plugin. Some of the popular options include WP Staging, which is free, and Blog Vault, which is a paid and more advanced option. Choosing the right plugin is important because it ensures the staging process is smooth and efficient. After finding the staging plugin that suits your needs, go ahead and click on Install. Once installation is complete, make sure to activate the plugin. Activation is crucial because it enables the plugin to function properly on your site. You should see a confirmation that the plugin is activated. Now let's move on to creating your staging site. Navigate to the WP Staging section in your dashboard and select Create New Staging Site. This step is where you set up the environment for testing changes. It's important because it allows you to make adjustments without any risk to your live site. Next up, you'll need to choose what you want to clone. You have the option to select both files and the database. Cloning these elements ensures that your staging site is an exact replica of your live site. This way, any changes you make in staging reflect exactly as they would on your live site. Once you've made your selections, click on Start Cloning. This will initiate the process of creating your staging site. It's a good idea to ensure that you have a stable internet connection for this step, as it may take some time depending on the size of your site. Now, it's time to wait until the cloning process is finished. This is the part where patience is key. You might want to grab a cup of coffee or check your emails while the plugin does its work. Once the cloning is complete, you will receive a notification. This makes sure your staging site is ready to use. Finally, open the staging site from the plugin dashboard. This action will take you directly to your newly created environment. It's a safe space to experiment and implement changes. You might notice that it looks just like your live site. That's because it's an exact clone, providing you with the perfect testing ground. By following these steps, you've successfully created a WordPress staging site. This process not only safeguards your live site from potential issues, but also provides peace of mind as you test and implement new features. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever needed. Thank you for watching, and happy testing on your new staging site.